Imagine a tunnel strong enough to handle a tank, yet born in a factory. That's the magic of the precast concrete box culvert. These bad boys, reaching up to 16 feet wide and towering 12 feet tall, are pre-built concrete giants ready to conquer your toughest drainage and underpass challenges. Forget slow, inch-by-inch construction. Each culvert arrives ready to rumble, saving geeks and potentially thousands on your project. Picture this. A crane gently lowers these concrete titans into place, like Lego blocks for grown-ups, creating instant passageways for streams, roads, or even pedestrians. Their rectangular might can span up to 40 feet, easily swallowing small rivers or busy intersections. These concrete fortresses shrug off weather, resist rust, and outlast generations. Picture this. Sleek, lightweight plastic blocks snapping together like magic to form custom drainage pathways. No heavy lifting, no trench warfare, just a symphony of clicks and a smile on your face. These modular masters can handle it all, from channeling rooftop rain gutters away from your foundation, think 10 gallons per minute, no problem, to whisking away basement floods faster than a vacuum cleaner on steroids. Need a 90-degree turn around that pesky oak tree? ESFlow bends to your will like a contortionist, letting you navigate around obstacles with ease. Imagine ditching those endless pipes and fittings, leaving a maze of confusion in their wake. ESFlow keeps things clean and simple, like a Zen master of drainage. Need to add a section later? No sweat. Just pop on another module, like adding a piece to your favorite puzzle. Plus, these eco-conscious heroes are made from recycled materials, giving your project a green thumbs up. Forget clunky cinder blocks and dusty bricks. Styrofoam blocks have arrived, bringing lightness and versatility to the world of building and crafting. Imagine these airy giants up to 8 feet tall and as wide as your king-size mattress, yet lighter than a stack of pancakes. And don't worry about strength. Their tiny beads pack a surprising punch, holding weight like Atlas holding the sky. Think disaster relief shelters popping up like mushrooms after a storm, each room carved from a single styrofoam block. Imagine eco-friendly houses taking shape, their walls whispering tales of recycled plastic and reduced carbon footprints. So next time you see a warehouse stacked with these white giants, remember they're not just packing material, they're lightweight builders, creative canvases, and eco-warriors all in one block. Ditch the gravel headaches and mud-caked shoes. ACO GroundGuard is here to revolutionize your yard. Imagine this. A lightweight plastic grid, no heavier than a deck chair, transforming your flimsy lawn into a fortress underfoot. No more tire ruts marring your masterpiece. No more muddy paw prints sullying your patio paradise. This honeycomb hero, woven from 100% recycled plastic, works its magic invisibly. Park your car on the grass, not sinking like a ship in quicksand, but resting firmly on a hidden network of strength. GroundGuard distributes weight like a pro, turning your lawn into a sturdy parking pad that laughs at tires and heavy furniture. Need a walkway that whispers underfoot? This versatile champ loves variety. Lay it down, fill it with gravel, and boom! Instant path, strong enough for dancing shoes or wheelbarrows. Its porous design lets grass breathe, like a tiny greenhouse for your blades. Rainwater seeps through, nourishing roots and creating a lusher, healthier lawn, even under heavy traffic. Geoplast New Elevator presents a revolutionary approach to foundation ventilation, offering both speed and savings for your construction project. These modular blocks, crafted from recycled polypropylene, create robust crawl spaces with remarkable ease. Imagine a system eliminating the need for traditional concrete forms and time-consuming construction techniques. New elevators interlocking blocks, each measuring 2 feet square, can be assembled rapidly, forming secure and spacious crawl spaces reaching up to 6 feet in height. This enhanced accessibility simplifies inspections, maintenance, and future plumbing adjustments. Composed of recycled materials, these blocks offer an environmentally conscious solution, minimizing waste and contributing to a greener future. Moreover, the system's durability ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for future replacements and associated environmental impact. This is what happens when a Glock custom pistol maker talks to a fan of Milwaukee products. Even though it's not an official project, it still looks cool. Well, for connoisseurs of more peaceful solutions, the Canadian brand Fiat has already launched such revolvers. They do not shoot, but combine the functions of a cordless screwdriver and bit storage. There is a backlight, charge indicator, and electric reverse. And 180 revolutions per minute is enough for assembling or repairing furniture. Zellige embraces imperfection, hand-cut into a kaleidoscope of shapes, triangles, diamonds, hexagons, each one a tiny treasure in a shimmering sea. These vibrant chips, no bigger than a $50, sing in a chorus of colors. These hand-sculpted tiles, each boasting unique textures and variations, whisper stories of generations past. Imagine the calloused hands of artisans shaping the clay, the fire's warmth kissing each tiny piece, the ancient kilns breathing life into their vibrant hues. Every mosaic becomes a time capsule, telling the tales of sun-drenched courtyards and echoing laughter in bustling souks. So next time you crave a touch of exotic magic, remember Zellige. It's more than just tile. It's a symphony of colors, textures, and memories, an ode to tradition that dances into the future. One tiny hand-cut masterpiece at a time. The future of construction is here, and it's printing its own walls with clay. Enter 3D printed clay blocks, the brainchild of innovation and sustainability, ready to revolutionize your building dreams. Forget heavy lifting and backaches. Robots do the dirty work, churning out these eco-friendly marvels with precision and speed. Think walls rising faster than a time-lapse video, saving you weeks of construction woes. Each block boasts intricate internal lattices, like tiny honeycombs whispering secrets of strength and insulation. Imagine houses defying the elements, shrugging off rain and heat like seasoned veterans, thanks to this built-in thermal magic. And for the eco-conscious builders, clay whispers back, a natural recycled material that breathes and keeps the planet happy. Forget leaky rooftops and drafty windows. Velux EWR flashing and XDP thermo-insulating set are here to weatherproof your roof windows like seasoned adventurers. These roof window superheroes combine seamless sealing with cozy insulation. The EWR flashing, crafted from durable aluminum, wraps your Velux window like a protective cloak. Forget fiddling with messy sealants or worrying about leaks, but the real magic lies beneath the roof. The XDP thermoset slips under your window like a thermal blanket, whispering tales of warmth and energy savings. Its vapor-permeable collar breathes easily, preventing condensation and mold, while the insulating band stuffed with eco-friendly polyethylene foam keeps the heat right where you want it, inside your room. Both the EWR flashing and XDP thermoset click into place like Lego for grown-ups. Solidor Switch redefines deck maintenance with an ingenious hidden locking system embedded within each individual plank. This revolutionary technology grants unparalleled access and control, transforming repairs and routine upkeep into a streamlined and efficient process. Imagine cumbersome hardwood planks, up to 4 inches thick, effortlessly unlocked with a simple twist. This patented mechanism grants immediate access for repairs, whether a single plank replacement or a comprehensive overhaul. Switch stands as a testament to strength and durability. Its concealed design withstands winds up to 60 miles per hour, offering hurricane-level resilience and safeguarding your investment. Ephesus Bolt. Protect steps forward, an innovative solution to anchor bolt deterioration, offering enduring protection beneath the surface. Imagine a potent formula, fortified with advanced nanotechnology, penetrating deep into the very heart of your 3-foot-long anchor bolts, forming an impenetrable barrier against corrosion and degradation. Ephesus Bolt Protect's active nano-protected layer repels the relentless assaults of water, salt, and even aggressive chemicals, forming a microscopic fortress around each anchor. This unprecedented level of protection ensures not only flawless performance during inspections, but also long-term structural integrity. Unlike traditional disruptive methods, Bolt Protect requires no arduous excavation or complex procedures. A simple brush or spray application suffices, delivering long-lasting protection with minimal downtime. How do they use the roof of the houses in your city? In Paris, for example, they built a 150,000 square feet vegetable garden. You can even rent a piece of it. One of the British companies offers to rethink roofs and is ready to take on both repairs and new buildings. And you can order not only green, but also blue roofs. Rainwater will run off more slowly, so there's less pressure on the drainage and storm sewers. A vegetable garden, a recreation area, something modular. Easy. Additional benefits include noise insulation, cleaner air, and savings on heating due to heat retention. And the company is also ready to take on separate repair work like waterproofing joints. Switchboard Ultra PVCU enters the scene, a revolutionary alternative to traditional decking materials, offering enduring strength and unparalleled design flexibility. High-density composite planks, each 48 inches long and 12 inches high. Think a sturdy platform for outdoor living, crafted from recycled materials with a protective PVCU cap. They stand impervious to the elements, unfazed by rain, sun, and even salt spray, ensuring year-round stability and performance. Switchboard Ultra transcends the need for laborious maintenance. Its durable composition resists cracking, rotting, and fading, maintaining its pristine appearance season after season. Cleaning becomes a breeze. A quick sweep or occasional wash suffices, freeing your time for enjoying the outdoors. Select from a curated palette of colors and textures, from classic wood grain to contemporary finishes, allowing you to tailor your deck to your architectural vision. Ephesus Stopper emerges as a paradigm shift in roof penetration waterproofing, offering unparalleled adaptability and enduring protection for any roof profile. Imagine precast molds, their flexible composition conforming to even the most complex pitches and contours, effortlessly embracing pipes, vents, and skylights as a watertight seal. These versatile solutions bridge gaps up to 6 feet, exceeding the dimensions of even king-size mattresses, and form a seamless barrier against the elements. Ephesus Stopper, a revolutionary, permanently flexible sealant compound that adheres tenaciously to surfaces of any incline. Ephesus Stopper adapts like a chameleon, seamlessly integrating with asphalt, metal, and even concrete surfaces, offering unrivaled versatility for any roof configuration. Abandon the arduous manual lifting and potential injuries. Lift Hoist emerges as a robust solution to heavy material handling, delivering exceptional capacity and unwavering safety in a compact package. A 12-foot steel frame, its sturdy construction reminiscent of a building crane, yet occupying minimal floor space. This electric-powered marvel boasts a remarkable lifting capacity of 5,000 pounds, effortlessly tackling bulky furniture, appliances, and even construction materials. This versatile hoist unfolds in minutes, requiring minimal assembly and no permanent modifications to your environment. Simply plug it in and the hoisting game is on. Lift Hoist incorporates a suite of intelligent features, including automatic brakes, overload sensors, and a stable base, ensuring the integrity of your valuable cargo throughout its ascent. Assembling a roof and house frame within 24 hours without scaffolding becomes a straightforward task when this New Zealand company takes on the project. The founder conceived the idea during a break at a construction site. Why take the risk of working at heights when you can simply commence with the roof and then elevate it using specialized jacks? The outcome was a technology that enhances construction safety and speed, while also aligning with the standard practice of constructing houses with 2-3 floors. Everyone benefits. Workers experience reduced fatigue, owners save on scaffolding, safety nets and struts, and the company founder accrues profits and accolades, notably for innovations in the realm of safety. And this paving stone narrates a tale not only of speed but also of environmental consciousness. Production involves the use of plastic and tires. For a 500 square foot courtyard, the latter required approximately 250 pieces. The grid on which the paving stones are arranged is a patented solution that enables a 40% faster workflow. If new coverings are applied in residential areas, the manufacturer provides a lifetime guarantee against cracking, and installation can be directly on top of the old concrete. Additionally, since the tiles are available in 3 sizes from 4 by 4 inches and 5 colors, the design possibilities are solely limited by the imagination of the buyers. A company in Australia has developed concrete mats for erosion control. It is feasible to cover an area of about 11,000 square feet with them in just one day. The efficiency is genuinely groundbreaking. 1 truckload of such mats is equal to 20 truckloads of rocks. In comparison to solutions crafted from monolithic concrete, the work will progress 20 times faster. Additionally, the mats are 3/4 recycled. Hence, it also earns high marks in the environmental sustainability category. Continuing with the Australian theme, there are innovative flooring solutions known as Lockable. On the official website, they directly highlight the advantages. Firstly, the blocks are lightweight, with the 47 by 47 by 6-inch version weighing 9 pounds. They are also easy to stack, allowing the entire batch to be delivered in many cases. Secondly, the blocks provide a comfortable walking surface, and their coating is matte, ensuring comfort even on sunny days for builders. Thirdly, the manufacturer recycles about 3,000 tons of plastic annually. The blocks give this material a second life. Approximately 80% of wood chips consist of Portland cement and mineral additives. This forms the essence of Durasol. Invented in the last century, Durasol blocks are still popular today and are ideal for constructing flower beds. A set of 16 blocks, sized at 47 by 47 by 31.5 inches, is priced at $413. While it may be considered costly, it is both eco-friendly and practical. The beds are lightweight, frost-resistant, and breathable. From minor drips during maintenance to substantial spills resulting from broken valves, modern trains are susceptible to leaks from cars, tanks, and locomotives. Fortunately, the innovation of composite pallets has addressed this issue. These pallets can be directly placed on the sleepers without any prior preparation. With a length of 20 feet, they can be effortlessly connected and combined with options like absorbent mats, drainage, and grids to filter solids. Simultaneously, the height of the pallets is approximately 5 inches, allowing them to serve as enduring solutions even at track crossings. Moreover, they have a lifespan of about 30 years. Latest information from Finland. They have developed carbon-negative concrete blocks. Regular blocks emit CO2, whereas these blocks capture it. Over their service life, they pledge 132 pounds per cubic meter. The technology has not yet reached widespread use, but it holds great potential if optimized for various forms. These blocks are specifically designed for constructing buildings and retaining walls, proving durable for over 10 years, even under heavy loads. The primary material is steel C-355, commonly used in earth-moving equipment and elevators. A form measuring 63 by 31.5 by 31.5 inches weighs 595 pounds and is assembled with utmost simplicity. The asking price for one building block is $1,800. Once in northern Italy, one of the bridge spans collapsed due to flooding, prompting the need for swift action, especially since the alternative route traversed 9 miles of mountainous terrain. The local authorities faced this challenge with surprise. Within a mere 12 days, they orchestrated the construction of a doubler bridge, measuring 180 feet in length and 23 feet in width. The Acro, a modular system designed for such scenarios, facilitated the rapid construction, allowing for the creation of even 3-lane bridges. Consequently, the old bridge was quietly closed for an extensive multi-year reconstruction. In case adverse weather conditions impact another area, the Acro supplier will possess superior alternatives. For instance, the Delta model enables the construction of spans reaching up to 328 feet. This lengthier 35-day bridge, named striatus, is distinguished not by speed but by the incorporation of cutting-edge technology and an environmentally responsible approach. Notably, striatus stands as the world's inaugural 3D printed concrete bridge devoid of mortar and reinforcement. Since 2021, it has been delighting guests and residents in Venice. Comprising 53 hollow blocks, the structure relies on compression and clever geometry for support. However, this 52.5-foot marvel is exclusively designed for pedestrians. Remarkably, all the blocks were 3D printed in 3.5 days using a 6-axis robocar. The material is equally intriguing. Specifically developed for this bridge, experts from the world's largest cement producer in Switzerland engineered concrete ink. Following is a solution from the Netherlands that enables a quick and simple reinforcement of the facade. The innovation lies in the insulation boards, which come equipped with built-in brackets. This, combined with a unique connection system, reduces installation time by up to 50%. It is user-friendly and manageable even for solo workers. The insulation board consists of 98% air, resulting in some sizes weighing less than 7 pounds. They can be covered with siding or brickwork. These boards are resistant to rot and mold, and they can withstand pressure. They are also easy to cut and allow for the repositioning of brackets, ensuring no issues with corners, roofs, doors, and windows. One of the challenges faced by builders is expressed as follows. The soil exhibits inadequate bearing capacity. To tackle this issue, vertical drains are utilized. In simpler terms, excess water is extracted from the soil, allowing it to settle and thereby improving the bearing capacity. An example on the screen provides insight into the scale and speed involved. This scenario unfolds in Malaysia at a site designated for a forthcoming power plant. The installation of approximately 13 million feet of drainage pipes took slightly less than 2 months. The pipes extend to a depth of 88.5 feet, with a mere 3-foot spacing between them. Here, the scale is already smaller. These inspection wells are also suitable for modest private projects. They aid in swiftly examining and cleaning the pipeline and are installed in domestic rainwater and mixed sewerage systems. They are available in traditional internal diameters up to 3 feet. All necessary elements are included, including a ladder with 16 inches wide, non-slip steps. Every detail is meticulously considered. For instance, the platform will be pleased with a slope of 4 degrees, ensuring water does not stagnate and work is comfortable. And over a span of 50 years, the vertical deformation of the bottom will be only 2.3%, twice lower than that allowed by regulations. Once upon a time, an experienced builder named Aaron George took on the task of constructing foundations and quickly realized that dealing with formwork could be simplified. However, he couldn't find an off-the-shelf solution for this, so he created his own. Thus, the Pro Brace system was born. It reduces the wastage of boards by 70–90% and allows for precise work down to the inch. Finish the formwork 50% faster. Most importantly, it brings satisfaction to customers. And of course, the system can be reused multiple times, eliminating the need for a mountain of discarded wooden pegs. The only drawback is that the cost is not specified. Since the creator is from New Zealand, shipping expenses might be significant. These panels are touted as the woolen socks for your home, with the seller promising not only comfort, but also savings of up to 30% on electricity bills. Each panel is enveloped with an 8-inch layer of thermal insulation, allowing you to operate the heating system at less than full speed and supply water at around 35 degrees Celsius. The panels can be placed directly on the concrete, eliminating the need for screed. Moreover, the curing time can be as short as 3-4 weeks, contributing to additional cost savings. Additionally, the panels are versatile, suitable for both walls and roofs. Environmentally conscious individuals will be pleased to know that the energy savings also result in reduced CO2 emissions. According to UN experts, the world's demand for wood will almost double by 2050. So many equipment suppliers are preparing now. This felling wedge has remote control at a range of up to 328 feet and an emergency switch in case of problems. The load capacity of this unit is up to 25 tons. The lifting height is 2 inches. In difficult situations, the locking rimmy will help you out. In addition, the Clin is quite compact and lightweight. It weighs about 19 pounds without the battery, but the price tag is even more effective, $3,050. Once American experts counted statistics on falls from stepladders. It turned out to be sad. 34,000 people who fell had to seek medical attention, and 15,500 missed at least one day of work. So $35 for such an accessory is quite justified. Mount it and it holds tools, paint cans, and other loads up to 7 pounds. No more need to constantly go down for them or dangerously reach and then balance. So the risk of accidental falls is also reduced. The manufacturer is convinced that this is an innovation. What do you think? The Japanese giant Ryobi completes the release. This saw arrived from there today. It is part of the 18V Plus family, which includes more than 280 tools, so there will be no problems with finding batteries. In addition, the developers promise about 98 feet of cutting on a single charge. They offer to cut stone, tiles, paving stones, bricks, and glass. The maximum depth at an angle of 90 degrees is 1.6 inches, and for dust protection, a 20 fluid-ounce reservoir comes in handy. It's said to be the best in the industry. The price tag, including charging and a 4A battery, is $259. Knipex has come up with the perfect gift for lovers of various tools. It is the company that produces the world's smallest plumber's tongs. One of the models weighs only 62 grams and has a surprising length of 4 inches. However, this is not a toy but a fully functional tool with a working range of 1 inches. It is ideal for tight and narrow spaces. And for safety, it is equipped with a mechanism that does not allow you to pinch your fingers. Such pliers cost $42. This story would probably make even Apple nervous. Judge for yourself, Milwaukee Red Lithium headphones last 10 hours on a single charge, while Apple's second-generation Earbuds Pro lasts 6 hours. Plus, Apple's case charge will last for 30 hours, while Milwaukee's will last for 70. In addition, the headphones from the toolmaker passively protect your ears thanks to foam and silicone ear molds. NRR noise reduction will be 25 dB and 22 dB, respectively. Complete with a case, cable, and several pairs of Milwaukee Red Lithium ear molds, the Milwaukee Red Lithium will cost $180. Makita is releasing a new product. The Japanese makers of professional power tools have made a compact, cordless microwave compatible with 40 VMAX XGT batteries. The same are on many saws, drills, trimmers, and other Makita tools. The oven has two modes of operation, 350 or 500 watts. Depending on the capacity of the batteries, warming food is realistic for up to 48 minutes in a row. Makita Jam weighs about 19.8 pounds, but the Japanese took this point into account, putting a convenient handle for carrying. But the price remains questions. Without a battery, the oven costs $847. I wonder how Steel got the idea to make a line of children's instruments. Maybe it's because it's a family-owned company? Whatever it is, the kids have been delighted with a blower, chainsaw, trimmer, and washer. The attention to detail is top-notch. For example, on the chainsaw, you can not only change the chain, but also adjust the volume level. Trimmer for safety receives soft rubber blades instead of fishing line, and the washer comes with two different attachments. All four tools will cost $240. It turns out that Milwaukee is not only good with clothes, but also with footwear. The company has come up with boots and sneakers that are not just for working on the construction site, but for working in. The shoes are easy to clean, yet they offer excellent protection from dust, water, and dirt. Comfort is provided by energy foam heel cushioning. The step-release heel allows for quick and easy removal of the shoe. To make it fit the foot as much as possible, Milwaukee has supplied the Bois system. It distributes the pressure evenly throughout the lacing. The Milwaukee shoe collection is brand new, so prices are kept secret for now. Snap-on also deals with tools and is quite successful. If you make a full catalog, there will be more than 20,000 items in it. The logical question is, where should Snap-on fans store their purchases? The logical answer is in a cabinet like this one from the same company. Snap-on has apparently looked at a wheelbarrow for a ride. How else to explain the 14 or 17-inch wheels, recessed lighting, and luxurious design? The drawers aren't easy either. The impulse design makes them easy to open and won't fall out. You can store an entire store in them. A standard cabinet will support about 7 tons of load. All in all, if you have $36,425 in your pocket, now you know what to spend it on. Klein Tools has been in business since 1857, and its tools are quite popular with telecommunications engineers. How serious is this? Well, for one, the company makes more than 165 variations of pliers, but sometimes gets distracted and makes bags, vests, carts, and even refrigerators. This one holds up to 24 beverage cans and keeps them cool for about 30 hours. Since the fridge can hold up to 136 pounds, you can sit on it. And the lid has a compartment for small things like pills, keys, and napkins. It costs a lot, about $80. It's great to have a Makita power tool on the construction site because during breaks, you can pull out the battery, put it in the coffee machine, and enjoy a cup of ground or instant coffee. If there are a lot of people wanting coffee, that's okay. The Makita coffee maker produces a cup every 7 minutes. And with one battery, you can really get up to 5 cups. Of course, there are no fancy espresso or cappuccino modes here, but there is a sturdy body that is not afraid of bumps and falls, a convenient carrying handle, and a measuring spoon in the set with a mug. The Makita coffee machine without a battery sells for $135. In 2021, Spain experienced extremes in weather, breaking both winter and summer temperature records. Catalonia recorded a bone-chilling -29.7 degrees Fahrenheit, while Extremadura faced a scorching heat wave in July, with thermometers soaring to over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat map even revealed a black zone, signifying the severity of the conditions. Responding to such climatic challenges, a local company introduces a roof insulation system that proves effective in both winter and summer. This innovative system is crafted from aluminum panels with rigid polyurethane, providing insulation against the cold in winter and protection from the scorching heat in summer. Remarkably, it can be mounted even on shingles. Noteworthy is its superior coefficient of thermal conductivity compared to analogs in the market. The demand for this insulation solution is substantial, with over 40,000 square feet of roofs already insulated in Spain alone, attesting to its effectiveness and popularity in addressing the diverse climatic conditions of the region. Ever marveled at the swift creation of roads in city-building games? Imagine a British company offering a comparable technology, where laying and connecting mats effortlessly crafts a road. These mats come in a standard size of 6 by 3 feet, engineered to endure the weight of trucks, cranes, tractors, loaders, and other heavy equipment with a capacity of up to 80 tons. This makes them versatile for applications like parking lots. The mats themselves weigh in at 88 pounds each, striking a balance between sturdiness and practicality for manual installation. Now let's delve into the financial aspect, the price tag. A single mat fetches $294, emphasizing the value of this solution for those in need of a reliable and robust option for creating temporary roads or parking spaces. French builders made headlines this year by unveiling houses constructed from salt and sunflowers. However, they also present more conventional solutions, like this innovative floor system. This system combines reinforced concrete beams with pressed wood infill elements, offering a simple yet effective solution suitable for both residential and commercial buildings. The slab thickness ranges from approximately 6 to 10 inches. Notably, the system allows for spans of up to 28 feet. In comparison to competing systems, this one is impressively lightweight, weighing only half as much. This characteristic makes it particularly beneficial for the restoration of deteriorating houses, providing an efficient and durable solution for construction projects that demand both versatility and structural strength. We are currently experiencing an era of innovations that evoke a sense of familiarity with Lego. One notable concept even goes by the name concrete Lego. The core idea revolves around assembling reinforced concrete structures with small teams, typically consisting of 5 individuals. This approach is applicable to a range of projects, spanning from road barriers and pipeline overpasses to bridges. The manufacturer has successfully undertaken diverse projects, collaborating with industry giants like BP, Ingenious, and Shell. It is claimed that this innovative assembly method reduces installation time by 60%. For instance, a team of 5 individuals can lay trays for pipes, covering 400 feet in a day. This approach not only proves to be economical, but also ensures durability without the concerns of corrosion or weather-related issues. As for the pricing, details are available upon request, reflecting the versatility and efficiency of this innovative solution in the realm of reinforced concrete construction. Is it possible for a team of high school students to construct a house? Absolutely, especially when it comes to building a model from the American company Intershelter. Their prefabricated houses have found utility from Kuwait to Antarctica, serving both civilian and military needs. These versatile structures cater to various purposes, including glamping, temporary accommodation centers for disaster victims, and housing solutions for the homeless. Despite their unassuming appearance, these houses are engineered to withstand hurricanes and earthquakes, handle up to 40 pounds of snow, and boast a lifespan of up to 50 years. Available in two sizes measuring 150 or 310 square feet, these lightweight structures weigh either 470 or 1,100 pounds. The price tags for these prefabricated houses are set at $9,000 or $13,000, making them accessible solutions for diverse applications that prioritize durability, mobility, and cost-effectiveness. Addressing a persistent safety concern in the construction industry, the protrusion of sewage pipes through concrete foundations has posed challenges for quite some time. These pipes, jutting out defiantly, not only disrupt work, but also pose a risk of accidents, with the potential for workers to trip over them. Enter a simple yet effective solution: sewer pipe plugs. These plugs serve as lifesavers by clearly indicating the location of the pipe and eliminating irregularities in the construction surface. Available in diameters ranging from approximately 2 to 4 inches, these plugs not only enhance safety, but also streamline construction processes. The pricing for these life-saving plugs starts at $10.50 each, making them a cost-effective investment in construction site safety. Notably, the creators have secured a patent for this innovative solution, underscoring its uniqueness and effectiveness in addressing a long-standing issue in the industry. Looking to construct a bridge or tunnel with a sense of urgency? Enter these blocks that have the potential to reduce the construction time from months to mere days, eliminating the need for formwork pouring. Operating on a concept reminiscent of Lego, these blocks offer a versatile solution, available in various shapes, from rectangular blocks to those tailored for specific projects. A standard brick measuring 30 by 15 by 15 inches weighs 463 pounds and features characteristic spikes resembling a children's construction toy. These blocks not only expedite construction, but also bring a sense of simplicity and efficiency to the building process. The special technique, such as the 10-foot arch showcased in a video, involves a truck utilizing the zipper system for assembly. This innovative approach revolutionizes traditional construction methods, providing a swift and adaptable solution for projects that demand rapid execution without compromising on structural integrity. Introducing a heavyweight solution for substantial construction projects, floating blocks designed for marinas, pontoons, and floating houses. The Howell 250 stands out as a prime example, capable of supporting 249 pounds within its dimensions of 48 by 28 inches. For more demanding applications, there's the Howell 550, a larger version with a capacity of 551 pounds and dimensions of 216 by 98 inches, boasting a wall thickness of up to 0.31 inches. To enhance functionality, protective bumpers, ladders, lights, and various accessories are available for purchase. It's crucial to note that each block is priced at $154. These robust floating blocks not only provide stability for water-based structures, but also offer customization options for additional features, making them a comprehensive choice for large-scale aquatic projects. Let's take a final look at the Reusable modular formwork system in conjunction with Pre-fabricated, a powerful combination employed in Switzerland for the construction of a bridge and a traffic circle. The results are truly impressive. The bridge spans a length of 787 feet, while the traffic circle boasts a diameter of 197 feet. The individual elements involved in this endeavor weigh more than 80 tons each, making this combination particularly advantageous. This system holds key advantages. Firstly, it is highly versatile, with one set of elements facilitating the pouring of slabs or columns. Secondly, the joints are airtight, eliminating concerns about leaks. Thirdly, its infinite adjustability allows for seamless adaptation to the geometry of the spans, ensuring precision in construction. This formidable combination of the Reusable and Pre-fabricated systems proves to be a robust and flexible solution for large-scale construction projects. Thanks for joining our journey through groundbreaking construction solutions. From road building mats to ceiling systems, we've explored innovations worldwide. PVC water stop, stone-sized slabs, and efficient construction blocks redefine the industry. Discover the future of construction. Subscribe for more updates.